It is a journey which we at Ashlok will help you with, and we will ensure that you get back to your normal quality of life after a period of 3 to 4 weeks. Now, what does this journey comprise of? It comprises of changing the knee joint to an artificial knee joint. The artificial knee joint is a joint we procure or we get from America, Switzerland, or Germany. This is the best joint available in the world, and with this particular joint, we are able to give you at least 20 to 25 years of life for the new joint.